All right, Bitcoin starting off on the 4-hour chart, then we'll zoom out to the bigger picture. But to make this video short and sweet before our live stream, we're doing live streams every day this week at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So join us today, tomorrow, Friday, whatever. We'd love to see you there, and you can get your requests in there. So Bitcoin on the 4-hour, what to watch for the rest of today? Well, we're pressing the 200 EMA here and this pink line in the bottom. If we break below that, we have an hour and a half until we close this candle on the 4-hour chart. If we close under that, the odds improve of us going to at least test these lows, a 27.8 or so. We could very likely come back and press this because our indicators are looking a little sketchy, to say the least, right? We'll look at our stochastic RSI. We have our momentum high, but our prices are, fumbling down the stairs. Our RSI, aiming down. Other bearish signs on the short time frame, ADX and DI crossed bearish, and now it looks as the ADX wants to follow up, right? When your bears are on top, the red, and they're diverging, and then you see the ADX, that's your strength of that move, it's starting to move up. Anything above 25 over to the right here starts to really gain strength. So we're not quite there yet, but on the 4-hour chart, looking a little Celsi Baka. Right, so Fisher Transform triggered down as well on the 4-hour. You want to wait till the candle closes, so wait about an hour and a half until that candle closes. We'll see if this triggers down. Right when they start to run parallel, you're pretty confident that prices will follow or are following already. So 4-hour chart looking a little sketchy right now. We have a chance to kind of hold this as support, but we need to close in an hour and a half from now. Noon Eastern time. What is the exact number? That 200 EMA, 28,349. If we do that, maybe we can bounce, and then maybe we look at, putting in a kind of a lower here, a higher low from back here. Maybe we're trying to reverse, this falling down the stairs trend, right? And maybe we, pick up a high here, pick up a higher low, and then what we'd look for is a higher high, right? Just kind of reverse this trend that's, seemed to be starting this top trend. Otherwise, if we don't, even if we come back up here and kind of reverse here, we're probably gonna, you do a little swan dive, right? We also have, right, key things today, 2 p.m. Eastern time, the FOMC statement, the funds rate, right, expected at 5.25%. Anything higher or lower than that will very likely bring some increased volatility to the market. Also, right, very important, is Jerome Powell speaking at 2:30 p.m. shortly after. So that can often sway what he says in there, even bigger than the actual damn rate. So even if this comes out, as expected, 5.25%, if he says, we're looking to be more hawkish, dovish, all that kind of stuff, more volatility coming. It's what he says can often bring bigger volatility than the actual news itself. So pay attention to that. We've also had, a lot of key events for USD today, across the board, starting at early 8:15 a.m. So go check the site out if this looks new to you, forexfactory.com. It's free. Go to their calendar at the top here, and this will keep you updated to what the hell's happening for global finances around the planet, right? So it updates every day, every week, all that time, all that good stuff. So familiarize yourself with this, and hopefully this helps you out in some way, shape, or form. Let's look at our quote of the day, and we will refresh from yesterday. May 3rd, reading is the mind what exercise is to the body. Great quote. I love that, right? Read every day, exercise every day. You should be doing it. If you're not, you're leaving your better self on the table, right? Car of the day, we did Bentley Mulsanne yesterday, so we'll keep it there again today if you missed the video. Red interior, obviously didn't refresh the car of the day. Let's get you something fresh if we don't have it yet. How about a good old Porsche GT RS? I have so many things lying around. I have to check them. I've forgot what I'm looking at. This one's on my desk. The white on white, probably my favorite Porsche. One of my favorites. You can see the roll cage in there. That's pretty sick, right? All right, we got 2 bonus cars of the day, right? How about bike of the day? Well, throw that in there. Yamaha R1, one of my favorite racing bikes. For the bonus content, one of my favorite bikes of all time, the Ducati Diavel, right there. I'll pick that up at some point in time and see if I can. How long until I get in a crash of that? I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching this long. If you have Bitcoin, watch it, monitor, watch those moving averages, watch for higher lows, right? All that good stuff. I'll see you on the live stream. If you missed this one, Thursday, Friday, 10:30 a.m. I'll see you there.